everybody, and today I'm going to be doing a bit of the infinity pistol farming. I know I've done a video on this, but I've got it completely wrong. You just have to have good luck. So far, I've done it this many times. Probably got that many times. I've killed him that many times, and I've done it 94 times. Still haven't got it, so I'm just going to be doing a bit of farming. I'll probably do about 3 episodes on this. There we go. And then in between that I'll do a bit, so I'll get it. Did I get it? Probably didn't. I got it first time. Didn't get it. It's just that one. Let's go down the side. Sometimes it falls down the side. No, it ain't fine down the side. I just want to kill this guy. There we go. Perfect. Come on. No scope. Oh, no scope. So now I've done it 95 times. Just gonna write it down. 95 times, right there. So, for people that want it to know, my face looks like this. My face. Can't see very well. It's my camera's kind of screwed. Hello. Yeah. Let's open the blinds a bit. Make it a bit louder. No, my face with that. Okay. My face. My face. Show my face. Blah, 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 my face. So, time for my second time. After this video, if anyone's actually going to watch this video, just tell me how long do you want these videos to be of me farming legendary guns. The shotguns, I love this shotgun. This is my baby. This is my baby. This shotgun. It's my baby. I love this shotgun. Best shotgun I've ever had. Better than my old one. Much better. Shotgun does. Oh, I got a lot. How much damage? Quite a bit. Might have always quite good. I'll just do this. Gun damage. There we go. Now, I've nearly done it 100 times. That's one of the reasons why I recorded this. I wanted to get up to 100 with you guys. Oh, and something else. Can some of you please subscribe? I have not got 1 subscriber yet. But then again, I've only been doing this for... I ain't got a very good YouTube account. Cam's rubbish. I ain't got face cam. And I've only been doing this for less than a week. So, now then it's subscribed. Hope that by the end of the year, I at least have 10. If I get 10, I'm not going to be happy. So can you please subscribe, like my videos, do some stuff and stuff. Not a bit too early. I just put my chance up and it's still, yeah, fine. I want it. I was gonna knife him. Popped him knife him. He's a knife. It's kind of boring. We're 3 away from 100 times. 3 away from 100. Do-be-do. And another reason why not many people have subscribed, because my camera's a different way round. Like them words are supposed to be on that side. Probably wouldn't notice this, but look at my hands. Oh, my hand's perfect. Yeah, my hand's perfect. I swear my shield was better than this. Oh, no. Oh yeah, I changed my shield. I leveled up twice. So yeah. Try to pick that up. Whee! I can fly to the sky. Oh, and in a minute I'll show you how to get on top of the happy pig. You get an achievement for that, but not an achievement. I meant what were they called? Like an achievement for this game. Oh yeah, no, it's a challenge thing. So you challenge, you get the challenge. I just saw that gun a minute ago. No, it was different. You get stuff with the challenge. See the happy pig? Big. This video's been on for 6 minutes. In fact, 6 minutes and hold on. 6 minutes 30 seconds now. Oh, by the way, I'm not on live. Oh yeah, I'm just I've got all membership. I've got live account. I've got membership. That looks like a fish right there. You couldn't even see my finger. That bit of the gun. It's like, yeah. Don't show you. Hold on, you guys. That was my brother, by the way. Let's just say no loud, you can talk. I'm doing a video. I tell him to not shout, I'm doing videos. Don't like quiet. I'm doing videos. Oh yeah, I got a new gun. It's a slag. I think I'm gonna I'm gonna change back. That does more damage. Yeah. That's better. Much easier to hit too. That's crazy. Oh my god. Every time I see a pistol, I'm like, but it's not actually the right pistol. So, I'm gonna do this video until like when I have to stop, because in 15 minutes I have to like stop because my brother is going to bed, so I have to come off because he'll be asleep. Yeah. Round and round, round and round, down, 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 round and round, round and round. Oh, I might do, instead of doing Borderlands, I might do like a review. Yeah, today in about 20 minutes I'm gonna do a review. Just tell ya. If you're watching this, literally just as it came out. Oh, I forgot that I ain't killed him yet. I forgot I ain't killed him yet. Nah, do I get up? I want my last hit of him to be a knife. I hate when I fall down here, so I can never get back up. I hate when I fall down here by accident. It wasn't a purpose, so yeah, that's right. But accident. Got like a landing and then boom! Boom! Hi. How you doing? Howdy, partner. Did he really drop nothing? Or did, oh, I think his loot went over here. Yeah, it did. All the way. Over there. Come on now. Boom! Boom! Go on, short normal. Level 9 normal. I missed. Oh, no, all the bullets in. Let's try to spread the bullets out between. No, I didn't know. No, stop! Oh, not one bullet in. There we go. Just trying to get that bit up. So, how you guys doing? Not doing live streams, so I don't know why I'm asking this. Boop, beep, boop, beep. Oh yeah, I've killed him. I killed him twice. One away from doing it 100 times. One away. Hold on, folks. When you go to bed, and that's in less than 15 minutes. Alright? What you watching? Hello! I'm back. Now, should be good to go. If I get this close, it still sends me. Don't know what to talk about. Kind of bored. I've run out of things to talk about in about the first 2 minutes. So.